It's Tom here from Yes, and this is the new Mach 1 from Martin Professional. The Mach 1 is an RGB lime moving fixture with a Fresnel lens on the front. It's capable of doing really tight, narrow, punchy beams, but also really soft wash. And because of the inclusion of lime in the chipset, it's got a really nice high CRI and it's really good for lighting subjects as well. So this isn't just a beam light, it's also a really usable light for other applications. So as well as the main RGB lime emitter in the unit, it's also got 24 RGB backlights. As you can see on the units behind me, the RGB backlights create a lovely effect on the Fresnel lens, and that's capable of doing a whole range of different effects, which also are affected by the zoom as well. The Mach 1 features an adjustable driver to adjust the flicker rate response on the LEDs, which means it's ideal for use on camera. The lens on the front of the Mach 1 is a 150mm Fresnel lens, and that's capable of producing a zoom range from 4 to 27 degrees. Out at 27 degrees, it has a really nice flat field, which makes it ideal for lighting subjects, and down at 4 degrees, it's a really nice punchy beam that can cut through haze and other effects on stage. Coming back to the backlight, there's a huge amount of ways of controlling this. You can control it manually over DMX with loads of parameters on RGB, or using the inbuilt macros. There's a whole ton of really nice different effects that you can control the speed of and the direction and so forth. In addition, you can use the P3 proprietary software from Martin Professional, and that enables you to run bitmap and video effects across the surface of the fixture and still maintain the other parameters of control such as intensity and movement from your lighting console. Due to how lightweight the fixture is, only 4.4 kilograms, it has an incredibly snappy pan and tilt movement. This really sets a new standard for fast moving beams, which will be ideal for DJ, EDM sets where you really want to test the fixture's capabilities and get it flicking all around the audience. In terms of mounting options, on the base of the fixture, you've got your standard Amiga bracket points for rigging the fixture in a conventional way. You've got some threaded receivers in the ends, and you've got your safety cable mounts. The other really nice thing that Martin have developed is the Fourbar, which you can see behind me. This enables you to pre-mount 4 units on the bar, and they can live in the flight case with the bar pre-attached. The advantage of this is that you can rig it straight out of the case and have equal spacing on your fixtures. The clamps on the Fourbar itself are able to move to enable you to miss truss cords when you're hanging all the units in a uniform pattern. And there's also feet which twist out, enabling you to put 4 fixtures straight on the ground, plug it in and be ready to go. In terms of the functionality immediately on the base, you've got a really nice clear screen here, which has battery functionality, which means you can get your fixtures pre-addressed before you get them out on the show. You've got 5-pin in and out for your normal DMX. You've got your Ethernet in and out, which supports streaming ACN, ArtNet, and the P3 functionality as well. And then you've got True 1 in and out for daisy chaining your power. So there it is, the Mach 1 from Martin Professional. Not just a beam light, but also a nice wash light, and features the eye candy you can see behind me. I'm sure these fixtures are going to be popping up on shows all over the place really soon.